Hello guys, so we are at Shivsumadram waterfall and this is the first place basically. This is really not maintained by the people or the government there. It is very worse and so smelly. So better you can avoid this part. But the beauty is there, no doubt. And but what to say? The second one, if you see the second one view is from which is in the like the in the forest area, and that is really beautiful. Right now water is not that good, but yeah, like if you are on the way you can visit that. Coming here by transport, public transport is a bit tough. उसका तो क्या करेगा तू? देख यहाँ तक आ रहा है पानी, पूरा नदी का पानी। नहीं, वो मेन जगह है। You need to reach the village called Sathegala post office. From there are autos shared 100 rupees and for booking 800 rupees. To reach here you can come directly by bus from Majestic, or you can come to Maddur railway station by train, and from there are lot of buses to this part. They will charge 50 rupees. So in 100 rupees you can able to reach this spot.